sleep together?
Yeah.
So weak.
I'm glad you're crying. You should feel my pain right now.
I've decided to go back to London.
When? He's your best mate and the start of his girl.
I've told him I'm not going to use this week to you.
I want you to be my girlfriend.
And who says stuff like this to certain people before?
Our friendship is over.
How long are you going for?
I don't plan on coming back anytime soon. I don't want to do this.
If it was up to me, I wouldn't let you go.
You and Penelope really need to stop messing about with Tarquin, because he's my boyfriend.
I'm going anyway, so it's all yours.